my parents? I cannot see them. There are too many people here.
Attention, please. A young boy named Tom is separated from his parents.
David, we need to find Tom quickly. He must be very scared right now.
Wow, this museum looks very big. I think we will need many hours today.
Yes, there are many sections. We should stay together and not get separated.
I am very excited. I want to see dinosaurs and ancient history things inside.
That sounds great, but remember, always stay close to us and do not run.
Okay, Dad. I will stay with you and not go anywhere alone today.
Let us buy the tickets first, then we can enter and start exploring slowly.
Hello, welcome. Mom, how many tickets do you need for today's museum visit?
We need 3 tickets, 2 adults and 1 child ticket for our son.
Here are your tickets. Please follow the map to explore different sections easily.
Thank you. This map will help us find our way inside the museum.
Mom, can I hold the map? I want to learn how to read it myself.
Yes, you can hold it, but stay close and do not walk away from us.
This map looks confusing. There are so many lines and different sections everywhere.
Do not worry, we will start from the dinosaur section and move step by step.
That is a good idea. It is easier if we follow one direction together.
I see the dinosaur section here. It is on the left side of this floor.
Great, let us go there first, then we can visit the space section later.
Yes, and after that we can explore the art gallery and history section together.
That sounds like a very fun day. I am really excited about everything here. Look at that huge dinosaur. It is bigger than I ever imagined before.
Yes, that is a T-Rex model. It lived millions of years ago on Earth.
Tom, stay close. There are many people here and it is easy to get lost.
Yes, Mom, I am here. But I want to go closer and see it clearly.
Okay, but do not go too far. We are standing right here near the entrance.
I will just go a little closer and come back very quickly to you.
Please be careful. There are many children running around in this crowded area.
Do not worry, I will come back soon after looking at the dinosaur closely.
David, where is Tom? I do not see him standing near us anymore.
I thought he was with you. Maybe he moved closer to the dinosaur model.
Oh no, I cannot see him anywhere. I think he is lost in the crowd.
Stay calm, we will find him. Let us check nearby areas carefully first.
Where are my parents? I cannot see them. There are too many people here. I should not panic. I remember my parents told me to stay calm, always. Maybe I should stand in one place so they can find me easily. Excuse me. I am looking for my parents. Can you please help me?
Do not worry. What are your parents' names? We will try to help you.
My father's name is David, and my mother's name is Sarah.
All right, let us go to the information desk and ask staff for help.
Thank you. I feel a little scared because I cannot find them anywhere.
David, we need to find Tom quickly. He must be very scared right now.
Do not worry, we will ask the staff for help and search every section.
Excuse me, our son is missing. We cannot find him anywhere in this area.
Please stay calm. We will make an announcement and help you find your son.
He is wearing a blue shirt and black shoes. He is about 7 years old.
Thank you. We will share this information with all departments immediately now.
Can we also walk around and look for him while you make the announcement?
Yes, but please stay near this area so we can contact you quickly. Attention, please. A young boy named Tom is separated from his parents. He is wearing a blue shirt and black shoes inside the museum building. If you see him, please bring him to the information desk near entrance.
Here is the information desk. They will help you find your parents quickly.
Hello, I am Tom. I think I am lost and I cannot find my parents.
Do not worry. We already made an announcement. Your parents are looking for you.
Thank you. I heard the announcement and came here with this kind person.
You did the right thing. Please stay here. Your parents will arrive soon.
Tom, where were you? We were so worried and looking for you everywhere.
I am sorry, Mom. I went to see the dinosaur and then I lost you.
It is okay, but you should never go far without telling us before moving.
Yes, Dad, I understand now. I will always stay close to you both.
We are just happy that you are safe and back with us again.
We are glad he is safe. Please always stay together in crowded places.
Thank you for your help. We really appreciate your quick support today. For him?
Good afternoon. May I see your passport and your boarding pass, please?
Good afternoon. Here is my passport and my boarding pass for today.
Thank you. What is your final destination and how long will you stay?
My destination is New York, and I will stay there for 1 week.
Do you have any luggage that you would like to check in today?
Yes, I have 1 suitcase, and I will carry 1 small bag myself.
Please place your suitcase on the scale so we can measure the weight.
Okay, I have placed it there. Please let me know if everything is fine.
Everything looks good. Now, please proceed to the security check area.
Thank you. Can you tell me where the security check area is located?
Go straight and then turn left. You will see the security line there.
Thank you for your help. I will go there and follow the instructions.
Hello, welcome. Are you ready to order, or would you like more time?
Hello. I am ready because I have already decided what I want to eat.
I will order something light because I do not want a heavy meal today.
I would like a cheeseburger with fries because I am very hungry now.
What would you like to drink with your meal this afternoon?
I would like a cold lemonade because the weather feels very warm today.
I will bring your food soon. Please wait and enjoy your time here.
Thank you. This place has a very nice atmosphere and friendly people.
Yes, I really like this restaurant because the food is always delicious.
I agree with you. The service here is also very fast and professional.
Hello, welcome to our hotel. How may I help you with your stay today? Hello, I have a reservation under the name Sarah for 2 nights here. Sure, let me check your booking details and confirm your reservation quickly. Thank you. I booked the room online yesterday using your official website. Yes, I found your reservation. You booked a single room with breakfast included. That is correct. I would like to check in now if the room is ready. Your room is ready. May I please see your identification for verification purposes? Yes, here is my passport. Please let me know if you need anything else. Thank you. I will now give you your room key and important information. Thank you. Could you please tell me what time breakfast is served daily? Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 in the morning at the main restaurant. That sounds perfect. I will make sure to come early for breakfast tomorrow. Your room number is 305, and the elevator is on your right side. Thank you very much. I appreciate your help and clear instructions today. Enjoy your stay here. Please contact us anytime if you need assistance. Sure, I will contact you if I need anything during my stay here.
Good morning, Sarah. I hope you are ready for the meeting this morning.
Good morning. Yes, I have prepared all the documents for the meeting today.
That is great. We will discuss the new project with the team members today.
I understand. I will explain my ideas clearly during the meeting session. Hello, Sarah. Did you complete the report that we discussed yesterday afternoon? Yes, I completed the report, and I also added some important information. That is helpful. Your work always makes our tasks easier and more organized. Thank you. I always try to finish my work carefully and on time.
Let us start the meeting now, and please share your ideas with everyone here.
Sure, I believe this project can help us grow our business very quickly. I agree with you. Your plan sounds simple, but very effective for our company.
That is a good point. We will consider your suggestion and move forward.
Thank you. I am happy to contribute to the success of our team. Thank you for watching this video and listening to my daily conversations carefully. I hope this video helps you understand real English used in daily life situations. Please practice these conversations again and again to improve your listening skills. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep improving your English daily.